Hey there, welcome back to our fourth lesson in this AI Learn and Earn course. In the last lesson, we talked about creating social media content with AI. Did you start? If not, kindly do it or review lesson 3. Now, we're going to dive into another powerful way to make money online. Blogging with AI. Blogs are still a huge deal in 2025, and with AI tools, you can create high-quality content faster than ever. Whether you're starting a blog from scratch or scaling an existing one, AI can save you time and help you rank on Google. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to use AI to write blog posts, optimize them for SEO, and start earning money. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why blogging is still a great way to make money. Blogs can earn income through 1. Ad revenue, like Google AdSense. Next, affiliate marketing, earning commissions for promoting products. Finally, sponsored posts, getting paid to write about a brand or product. But here's the thing, writing blog posts can take hours. That's where AI comes in. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai, you can generate a blog post in minutes. Ready to see how it works? Let's break it down into 4 simple steps. Step 1. Generate a blog post with AI. Let's say you want to write a blog post about 5 AI tools for beginners. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can use ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting. Here's how 1. Go to ChatGPT, chat.openai.com. Next, type a prompt like, write a 1,000-word blog post about 5 AI tools for beginners. Then hit enter, and just like that, you've got a full blog post. You can tweak it to match your voice, but the hard part is done. Easy, right? Step 2. Optimize your blog post for SEO. Now that you've got your blog post, you'll want to make sure it ranks on Google. This is where SEO, search engine optimization, comes in. Here's how to do it. 1. Use a tool like Surfer SEO or Rank Math to analyze your post. Next, add keywords naturally throughout the post. Then include headings, subheadings, and bullet points to make it easy to read. For example, if your blog post is about AI tools, make sure to include keywords like Best AI Tools for Beginners or How to Use AI Tools. Pro tip. Ask ChatGPT to suggest SEO-friendly titles and meta descriptions. For example, type, give me 5 SEO-friendly titles for a blog post about AI tools. Step 3. Monetize your blog post. Once your blog post is live, it's time to start making money. Here are 3 ways to monetize your blog. 1. Ad revenue. Sign up for Google AdSense or Mediavine. They'll place ads on your blog and you'll earn money every time someone clicks on them. Second, affiliate marketing. Include affiliate links in your blog post. For example, if you're writing about AI tools, link to tools like Jasper or ChatGPT and earn a commission for every sale. Third, sponsored posts. Partner with brands to write about their products. You can charge $100, $500 per post, depending on your blog's traffic. For example, if you're writing about AI tools, you could include affiliate links to tools like Jasper or Midjourney. Every time someone signs up through your link, you earn a commission. Sweet, right? All right, let's recap 1. Use ChatGPT to generate a blog post. Then, optimize it for SEO with tools like Surfer SEO. Finally, monetize it with ads, affiliate links, or sponsored posts. That's it. You're now ready to create and monetize your first AI-powered blog post. But wait, there's more. Once your blog starts getting traffic, you can scale it by creating more posts, building an email list, and even selling your own products or courses. The possibilities are endless. Now it's your turn. Here's your action step for this lesson 1. Open ChatGPT and generate a blog post on a topic you're passionate about. Next, optimize it for SEO using Surfer SEO or Rank Math. Subsequently, add affiliate links or sign up for Google AdSense. Finally, publish your post and start promoting it on social media. And don't forget to share your blog link in the comments or on social media. Tag me so I can check it out and give you a shout out. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we'll dive into selling AI art and digital products, where you'll learn how to create and sell stunning digital art using AI tools. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the course, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any lessons. See you in the next one. Let's keep making money with AI.